Ever wondered why sneezing happens so fast? It's not just a simple achoo, it's a high-speed natural marvel. When irritants invade your nose, your body launches a lightning-fast defense. Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah's top speed? This incredible velocity comes from a perfectly orchestrated muscle dance. Your chest, abdomen, and even your eyelids work together in split-second harmony. But here's a mind-blowing fact. Your brain actually shuts down momentarily during a sneeze. It's like a mini system reboot. This reflex is so powerful that suppressing a sneeze can even lead to injury. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it fly. Safely, of course. It's just your body showing off its superhero-like reflexes. For more fascinating body facts and to support us, please like this video and follow our channel.